students, welcome to your and our beautiful channel Maths Nation. In my last class we have already discussed about the properties of exponents. Today in this class we will discuss application of exponents or solve some problems by applying the properties of exponents. Suppose in my last class you have already discussed about the properties of exponents. Today we solve some examples, solve some problems, the properties of application of the properties of exponents. Here 1 upon 2 to the power minus 3 plus 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 1. I have already told you the exponents in negative integer cannot given us the result. We cannot find the value. Always transfer the negative exponents into positive. We can transfer the negative exponents into positive by changing the base, by taking the reciprocal of the base. 1 upon 2 to the power minus 3 means this is 2 to the power 3. 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 means 3 to the power 2. And 1 upon 4 to the power minus 1 means 4 to the power 1. 4 to the power 1. This is 2 to the power cube means 8. 3 square 9 plus 4. Then you add and get this is 21. Solve another question. Here minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 2 into minus 4 upon 5 to the power 3 into minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 1 whole 2. This is minus 4 upon, look at here, minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 2. We have to change the exponent into, here let it as it is, because after as this is 4 upon 5, this is 4 upon 5, this is 4 upon 5. We have to keep the base same, otherwise how can we add the exponents or subtract the exponents? Then that's why when we solve the exponents, always keep the base same, minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 2, keep it as it is. Then this is minus 4 upon 5 to the power 3. Here minus 4 upon 5, as you recall the properties x to the power a into b, this is x to the power ab. Here minus 1 into 2, this is minus 2. Here there is multiplication sign, then the exponents get added. Minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. Then this is minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 4 plus 3. This is minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 1. This is minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 1 means take the reciprocal of the base. This is minus 4 upon 5 to the power 1 means minus 5 upon 4. Okay. Then solve another question. Suppose a question is given, if P by Q here if P by Q is given 2 upon 3 to the power minus 3 plus, divide 3 upon 4 to the power 0. Here the question is given P by Q is equal to 2 by 3 to the power minus 3, divide, sorry students, divide sign here, divide, otherwise I I will write again. P by Q is equal to 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 divide 3 by 4 to the power 0. Then we have to find out the value of P by Q to the power minus 2. We have to find out the value of this. Here P by Q is given this. 2 by 3 to the power minus 3 means 3 by 2 to the power 3. I have told you before, always change the exponent into positive. When we change the exponent into positive, we take the reciprocal of the base. 3 by 4 to the power 0 means 1. Then this is 3 by 2 to the power 3. This is 3 by 2 to the power 3. P by Q is this. We have to find out P by Q to the power minus 2. Then in place of P by Q, we will put 3 by 2 to the power 3 into minus 2. Then this is 3 by 2 to the power minus 6. As exponents get multiplied, 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Here this means this is 2 by 3 to the power 6. This is 2 by 3 to the power 6. Okay. Then we solve 2 by 3 to the power 6 means 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. How many times? 6 times. Into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 2 ja 64 in numerator. In denominator 3 3 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 27 3 ja 81, 81 3 ja 243, 243 3 ja 729. Finally we get the answer. This is 64 upon 729. Finally we get the answer P by Q to the power minus 2 is equal to 64 upon 729. Okay. Then solve some more questions. Another questions here given. If A equal to 3 by 5 to the power minus 2. Students, I have already told you, when you solve maths, be careful, be attentive. Otherwise you have seen me in last questions. I have also done some mistake and I will correct it. 3 by 5 to the power minus 2 divide 7 by 5 to the power 0. Then we have to find out A to the power minus 3. We have to find out the value of A to the power minus 3. A is given this. Then A equal to 3 by 5 to the power minus 2 divide 7 by 5 to the power 0. 7 by 5 to the power 0 means 1. I have already told you exponents. When the exponent is 0, the value is always 1. X to the power 0 is always 1. Here this means 5 by 3 to the power 2. Because when the exponent is negative, we will take the reciprocal of the base and make the exponent positive. This means A equal to 5 by 3 to the power 2. This is 25 upon 9. 5 by 3 to the power 2 means 5 into 5 by 3 into 5 by 3, which is 25 upon 9. But we have to find out A to the power minus 3. We have to find out 25 upon 9 to the power minus 3. This means 9 upon 25 to the power 3. Then we have to take 9 upon 25 into 9 upon 25 into 9 upon 25. Then can we find out the value. Okay. Use calculator or multiply, you can get the value. Then solve another question. Suppose here simplify. The question is given, simplify the question. 2 by 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 into 2 by 3. While you solve the problems of exponents, always recall the properties. Always recall the properties and use the properties of the exponents. 2 by 3 to the power 2 into 3, you know this, here the exponents get multiplied. This is 2 by 3 to the power 6 and into 2 by 3 to the power minus 4. 3 to the power minus 1 means 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 6. Here 2 by 3, here this is multiplication sign, you know the exponents get added. This is 1 upon 18. Then this is 2 by 3 to the power 2 into 1 upon 18. 2 by 3 to the power 2 means 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 1 upon 18. Then 2 cancel, 9. Here is numerator 2, denominator 3 3 are 9, 9 9 are 81. This is the 2 upon 81 is the answer. Okay. Then solve or some more questions. Suppose you have to find out the value of x. Here the question is given, find out the value of x. Minus 6 upon 11 to the power x divide minus 6 upon 11 to the power minus 2 minus 1 is equal to minus 6 upon 11 to the power 2 into minus 3. Here minus 6 upon 11 to the power x divide minus 6 upon 11 minus 2 into minus 1, 2 equal to minus 6 upon 11, 2 into minus 3 minus 6. Here minus 6 upon 11, you know students, while division exponents get subtracted. X minus 2 is equal to minus 6 upon 11 to the power minus 6. Then equating, as the base are same, equating the exponents, then equating the exponents, we get x minus 2 is equal to minus 6. Then what is the value of x? Minus 6 plus 2, then x equal to minus 4. Okay, x equal to minus 4. Then solve some more questions about to find the value of x. Here another question. Here the question is 4 by 5 to the power minus 2 divide minus 4 by 5 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 to the power 3x. Here 4 by 5 to the power minus 2 can be written as 5 by 4 to the power 2 divide minus 5 by 4 to the power 2 is equal to 1 to the power 3x. This is 25 upon 16. 5 by 4 to the power 2 means 5 by 4 into 5 by 4, which is 25 upon 16, divided by minus 5 by 4 to the power 2 means minus 5 by 4 into minus 5 by 4, which is also 25 upon 16. And here at the RHS 1 to the power 3x. This is 25 upon 16 into 16 upon 25. In case of fractional division, take the reciprocal and do the multiplication. 16 cancel. This is 1. 1 can be written as 1 to the power 1, which equal to 1 to the power 3x. Here the base are same. Equating the exponents, we get 3x equal to 1, x equal to 1 upon 3. Another way we also find out, if this is 1. 1 means 1 to the power 0 also. This is 1 to the power 3x. Here also you can write 3x is equal to 0, x equal to 0 is also another answer. Okay. Then solve another question. Here the question is given. You have to find out the value of x. 9 by 4 to the power 3 into 8 by 9 to the power 3. It RHS 2 to the power 6x. 9 by 4 to the power 3 means 9 by 4 into 9 by 4 into 9 by 4. Okay. 8 by 9 to the power 3 means 8 by 9 into 8 by 9 into 8 by 9. As these bases are not equal, hence we cannot apply the properties of exponents. That's why I open the bracket and write it in the expanded form. This is 2 to the power 6x. Keep the right RHS as it is. Then 4 cancel with 8, 2. 4 cancel with 8, 2. Then 4 cancel with 8, 2. 9, 9 cancel. 9, 9 cancel. 9, 9 cancel. In the LHS, this is 2 into 2 into 2. In the RHS, 2 to the power 6x. Here in the LHS, 2 to the power 3. 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 to the power 3. This is 2 to the power 6x. Here the comparing the exponents as the base are same, comparing the exponents, we get 6x equal to 3. X equal to 3 upon 6 means 1 upon 2. We find the value of x equal to 1 upon 2. Okay. Then solve another question. Suppose here another question, find the value of x. 3 square into minus 4 to the power 2 is equal to minus 12 to the power 2x. Okay. Here the you know x to the power a into y to the power a means x into y to the power a. When the exponents are same, base are different, we can do like this. Here look at it. Here the exponents are same, base are different. This can be written as 3 into minus 4 to the power 2. And in RHS, this is minus 12 to the power 2x. Here 3 into minus 4, this is minus 12 to the power 2. In RHS, this is minus 12 to the power 2x. Here the base are same. Equating the exponents, we get 2x equal to 2, x equal to 1. Okay. In the same way, you can solve the problems of exponents. It may be find the value of x or any simplify. And students, you please do your worksheet, do your exercise and ask me your doubt in the comment box. I promise I will solve your all doubts. Today this much. Like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Thank you students.